Hello YouTube, this is Nathan Dewey on behalf of Blade Forums. Today I'm reviewing two more handmade Balisongs. I just finished this one, so I decided to break out the camera and do a quick side-by-side review. Here's the first Balisong. This one is the Latchless serrated. Has slotted steel handles. It's dated October 21st, 2010, and has a fully serrated clipped sheep's foot blade. There's the blade. This one's a chisel grind. Very sharp, very purposeful, great for slicing. This one is a latchless tanto. This has a skeletonized hole pattern, steel end spacers, and a partially serrated tanto blade, or tanto style blade. This one's also a chisel grind, dated November 3rd of this year. Let's see how they flip. Okay. There's the latchless serrated. This one is definitely a little bit better for flipping. It's got more weight to it. It's got better momentum because of the spacers, and it just feels more solid. Even though the play on both of these are very similar. There's the play on that one. Very similar. This one might have a little bit more play, but still very minimal. It's not excessive. Okay, that's my quick review on my two handmade latchless Balisongs. Thanks for looking. Take care, guys.